Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of, just drawing with Candy. And today I wanted to work on this cute little Calcifer with you guys. So this will be a sticker at some point in my Etsy shop, I think probably in a month's time from now. And I did end up using this image as well for teaching you guys about clipping masks and how to get things lighter and darker in your shots and things like that when you're doing your drawings. But during Canada Day, I decided I wanted to sit down with you guys and really just flesh out this drawing and just hang out and see how everyone's doing. It's been a little bit of time, and I haven't done a video like this in a while, so I thought it'd be kind of neat to kind of go back and forth from seeing me actually draw it and then doing like a recording of it where you guys can see the difference. But I had a lot of fun adding a couple different layers with Gaussian blurs for the effect of his, fire. And then once I was happy with getting down my solids, then from there, this is where what I was talking to you guys in the other video is how you would go about that, adding in some lights and darks. And then I also added where my cut lines would go, as well as adding in some fun textures on the wood. And then I also like to go over and do a different color for my outline. I don't like it to just leave it black, generally speaking, when I do these things. But let me know what you guys thought of this video. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video, and have yourselves a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, join the Discord and Twitch. Bye guys!